Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Telegram on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to log into Telegram on your PC, then the first thing you'll need to have is an application for Telegram installed on your PC. If you've not installed it yet, simply go ahead and download Telegram application by visiting telegram.org into the address bar, and once you reach to the official website, go ahead and download Telegram for your PC by clicking on this link. Once you've downloaded the application, simply click it open and you'll end up in this first interface that looks like this. Click on Start Messaging. In order to log into your Telegram with your desktop, you'll need to go ahead and scan a QR code by using your mobile Telegram. So go ahead and open up Telegram on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your Telegram on your mobile device. Now, go to the upper left-hand corner of the screen and tap on the hamburger menu. Go to Settings from the options displayed on the screen. Once you click on that, scroll a bit down under Settings and tap on Devices. Tap on Scan QR Code from this page. Now, tap on Scan QR Code. Allow Telegram to take pictures and record video by tapping on Allow in the pop-up, and you'll end up in the screen where you can scan your QR code by pointing your camera towards the screen of the desktop, which will automatically scan the QR code, and you'll be able to log into your Telegram account on your desktop. I've been signed into my Telegram with my desktop just by scanning a QR code from my mobile device's camera screen. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.